Mga kaibigan, isang magandang hapon. It's around April 26, mga kaibigan. Kapi-kapi sa ta, mga kaibigan. Magandang hapon ho sa ating lahat. April 26. Nandito ho tayo, mga kaibigan. Mayroong mga tanong ho dito na kailangan ko pong sagutin, mga kaibigan. It is because it is very important, no? Kahit yung isa nito ay pabalik-balik na ho ito, mga kaibigan. Pero ito pong mga katanungang ito ay patungkol po ito sa lupa, no? At mga mana ho, mga kaibigan. At dito natin malalaman kung kailan tayo magmamana or the years, the share that we can receive, no, as a sons and daughters or the siblings of our parents, mga kaibigan. So just to take copy first, our copy is from from Miss Oriental, mga kaibigan. Mix and Flex coffee. It is corn blended with moringa and the mga kaibigan, yung mangosteen. So the questions is all about kailan ba tayo magkakaroon ng mana, at the same time magkakaroon tayo ng, sa Bisaya pa, panulundon, no? At kailan yung mga tinatawag na dying declaration or the last will and testament, no? Dito po natin malalaman ngayon. Una ho tayo dito sa kailan tayo magmamana, mga kaibigan. Yung panahon na tayo po'y magmamana ng isang property or immovable property or movable property, considered as a kotse, yung mga movable, yung mga motor at iba pa. That is considered as immovable property. An immovable property, yung bahay, lupa, and many others. Yung mga buildings, mga commercial buildings, ganun. Kailan ba ho tayo na to have the right to be an heirs to receive that partition or the share of that particular I have mentioned early, this, mga kaibigan, that I talking right now. So mga kaibigan, ito po yon. Under of the Article 77 of the Civil Code, no? It's very strictly, and mga kaibigan, because I am not to be pretend here that I am no, it is only for your aid of your knowledge, your opinion. But I do not like to satisfy for you. Just ask for the lawyers, the expert, and just must the better go to for the court for inquiries, or either what are those mga kaibigan, yung mga expert ho natin dyan, kasi maraming nakikinig dito. Under of the Article 77, tayo ho, mga anak, hindi po tayo makapagpanunod ng mga established conjugal property of our parents if ever buhay pa ho sila. Under of this Article 77 of the Civil Code, the parents is, when they still alive, all the children's or the siblings itself have no right to claim their share or the partition of the property, no, unless otherwise kung sila po namatay in the times of death, no, mga kaibigan. That's the time the compulsory heirs has right to claim their share, either in the commercial building or the bahay or the value of that properties, mga kaibigan. So that's why yung mga anak kong mga patok sa buho dyan, kahit buhay pa yung mga ama't ina, kiniklaim na ho nila yung para daw sa kanila. Mind you kahit isang kutsara ng kanilang lupang na ipundar, wala ho tayong karapatan bilang mga anak to claim that, mga kaibigan, kahit isang kutsara lang. Pwede nila ibinta yan lahat, kakainin nila. Wala tayong karapatan. Yan ang mahirap dito sa Pilipinas, mga kaibigan. All the children or the siblings itself, they can claim premature years, mga kaibigan, no? Yung mga sulundon ba, kina-claim nila kahit buhay pa ho. Yung iba nga masama, pinapatay nila. Yung mga patok sa buhay, mga agap nga mga tao, no? Mga anak, kaway, mga pulos. just go to for the second questions. The last will and testament. No, ito. The last will and testament, mga kaibigan. There are two types of the last will and testament or the dying declarations. We have also a holographic testament or holographic will and the notarial will. What are those? The notarial will. All of this from the Article 77 and also this I mentioning right now is all under of the Republic Act 386, which is called a Civil Code of the Philippines. So ito, the holographic will, only the testator they can write on it, mga kaibigan. Yung later ako, just I write faithfully na ikaw yung tagasunod ko, mga kaibigan. That is called a holographic will. And there is no presence needed for the witness for this holographic will. But unless otherwise in the notarial will, there is a presence or the needs of the witness to be present, mga kaibigan. The notarial will. How about the documentary or the video or the called a digital platform video will? No, that's not recognized by law. But I do not know, but it should be, according to some research that I've done, mga kaibigan, should be one of those supporting evidence. But that's not a primarily called as evidence. That's not recognized by law, accordingly. The only two can recognize by law that the holographic and the notarial will, mga kaibigan. So, all of this, notarial and holographic will, it should be done by the court proceeding, which is called probate judicial proceeding. The court will determine it, they will be granted and they will you enjoy what they are written on that particular last will and testament, which is either holographic or notarial. So, thank you so much, mga kaibigan. Maraming salamat po.